This partial leveling involves using 100% quarry sand and can be done with or without overseeding. I recommend sand leveling, especially after core aeration or manual aeration with a garden fork. The benefits of aeration are significant, particularly if there are issues with moisture during winter or if the soil has poor drainage. For the lawn preparation, a few days ago, I applied a foliar and mowed it to 3 centimeters. I could have mowed it to 2 centimeters, but in some areas, the material thickness would approach 2 centimeters, so I will let some grass leaves outside to avoid overseeding. The last step was scarification with spring tines at the lowest setting, which may have stressed the lawn a bit. I will mow as frequently as possible, even up to 3 times a week, as the grass grows rapidly during this period of May. I recommend mowing at least twice a week to promote denser growth. For leveling, I will primarily use a landscaping rake. After using this tool, I will employ a lawn leveler to distribute the sand more evenly and incorporate it into the grass. If needed, I will use a broom to remove any grass leaves not lifted by the leveler. The sand is hardly visible, it has been incorporated, and the leaves are on top. Of course, you may lose some leaves in the sand, but that's okay. This is how it looks up close. You hardly notice the sand. Repeat the process across the entire area that needs leveling. This is the result. Where the sand is still visible, I added more material. Don't worry because over time, it will be covered by grass. This is how it looks after 7 days since I partially leveled. Much better than I expected, even in this area where I added a lot of material, and it recovered quite well. But even here, you can see some sand, but the grass has recovered quite well, better than I expected. There are still places like this where you can see a small grass blade, but a few were lost, which is not a problem. Now, let me tell you about what I did in these 7 days. Regarding mowing, I cut it every 2 days to 5 centimeters. For irrigation, I watered immediately after finishing the work and applied fertilizer. The second watering was 3 days ago. Once it thickens, I estimate in 2 weeks, I'll return to the normal mowing height of 4 centimeters. Now, a few conclusions about leveling with 100% sand. I recommend leveling with 100% sand, especially after core aeration, for maximum effectiveness. If you don't want to use 100% sand, you can use a mix of 80% sand and 20% soil with added compost if possible. How do you calculate the material needed? The last conclusion is not to cover more than 2 centimeters. If you cover more than 2 centimeters, it's essential to overseed because your lawn will struggle to recover in those areas. Now, some advantages of this leveling. Besides improving drainage and preventing moisture in the first few centimeters of the soil, forcing the grass roots to go deeper, another advantage is having a flat surface. A major disadvantage is the long recovery time, which greatly depends on how the lawn was cared for throughout the year. That's about it regarding the partial leveling I did with 100% sand. Greetings.